Hello everyone. Today I'm Share, best cheapest logo designer for your business or brand. Logo is a identify for every business. So logo is need for every business. So I'm here to I'll share best cheapest logo designer for your brand. You can take this service from his. So his title, I will create modern minimalist and luxurious logo design. And you can see his price is 5 USD. He complete 300 plus 3000 plus order review. He has already in queue 285 order in queue. He has running already. So he is create luxury business logo only $5. You can see how believable best cheapest logo designer. So you can see he create multiple many more logo for his client. You can see they are very luxurious logo and very cheap price. You can see his 4.9 rating. He have 4.9 rating, and he complete 3,216 order review he has, and already 285 order in queue. Unbelievable. So you can hire him best cheapest logo design for your brand. You can many more logo for very professional, as you can see, first one, second one, third one. So very impressive logo you can hire for your business or brand. So that is he his basic price $5, standard price হচ্ছে 20, standard price $20, and premium price is $40. So it's very cheap price. You can, as you can see, can take logo for your brand. We can check his profile. He is from Sri Lanka, and he's just last delivery, and just now he has 4.9, and he already complete 300 3,000 and 300 order. So it's a very cheap price logo. It's first one. We are going to second one. So next he I'll do minimize modern business logo. So next one, he is a create business logo for your business. So you can see his work, many more very professional impressive logo for his client. So that's amazing. You can see you can hire for your brand or business. He so amazing. You can, as you can see, he has complete three 30 30,000 order already complete, and nearby 4,000 14,000 order he has complete on Fiverr. So he has 19 order in queue, and his basic price $30, and his standard price on $16, and his premium price $120. He has a professional logo, and he multiple logo he has already created. As you can see, he is a custom logo designer. He's from United States, but his price are so cheapest. As you can see, you can hire him $30 only basic price. So you can check his portfolio, and he complete six sorry he has complete 6,000 sorry 6,000 review he has. And next one we will go to, he complete I'll design modern effective professional business logo, and he has professional business logo price in only 10 USD. So you can see he has created for logo for your business. You can hire him, and he complete 218 order, and he has 17 order in queue. And you can check them. He have he from Pakistan. He is a level 2 seller. You can see from, you can need any logo, you can hire him. So I hope you are very, you can take him. Then you will go to next one. His title, I'll design attention graving minimize logo. So he complete 118 1850 order he has complete. So he has 21 order in queue. His basic price $150, $105. So he has very professional. You can hire him. And next one, I'll design minimize Borden business logo with copyright. His logo, yes, you can see his logos for a professional. He complete 4,000 order complete already. He complete 4,000 order complete. So he's on eight order in queue. So you can hire him, and he has complete order. So we can check them his review. He has many more review, and he from Pakistan. He just didn't just now. He has portfolio. We will check the logo design. Many more order he has complete 4,000 plus, and we check his logo. He has complete. I really enjoyed. He has logo review five five-star review, five-star review. So they are very professional. You can hire for your business. I think if you are hire him. So that is very professional. I will add their account link on my description. You can hire from him from his. So that's it. You like, comment, share, and goodbye.